prime example of a wartime quality built Monarch Lathe. It's a 16-inch nominal swing right here, distance between centers, actual, they have 54 inch and actual swing 18.5 inches. All of these can be stretched a little bit. This machine has been completely protected according to modern rules like OSHA and various other work safety commissions. It's got the chuck guard with the automatic shut-off switch. It's got the protector against the tool, which moves back and forth. And for purposes of clarity, we're going to remove this so you can see better what's going on. The lathe is also equipped with a live center. We lay down carefully here. We have a 3-point steady rest of about 6-inch capacity. That's about 8 inches. We have all the tools to tighten the tool holders and tool posts, so on and so forth, which we will take out for now. We have a high quality 3-point Jacobs type chuck, which is used for standard drilling purposes. On the main chuck, 3-jaw chuck, we have reversible top jaws. There you'll see there's a set of extra soft jaws on the top, which can be machined to any shape you want. There's a selection of miscellaneous tool holders and insert individual tools. Now some of these may go with the other big lathe, which is behind us, but we assembled them all here for now. We'll make you a selection. And over here we have more tool holders and more cutting tool holders, cut-offs and side cuts, so on and so forth, and several different selections of knurling tools as well. Okay, that's it for this particular section. Cut that. We have here a digital readout that also is ready to go and works properly. Have a look at the y-axis, works fine. And here we have the x-axis on the main carriage. That's working smoothly, not a lot of play. And now let's try and operate the main machine. Fire up the motor. That's the low speed, this is the high speed. And we will operate the clutch. That's the lowest speed, it's 12 RPM. It's ideal for very slow drilling of large pieces, or for tapping, etc., etc. Clutch works properly, it's not a problem. You have double handles, as in all big lathes. And one thing to notice on the Monarch, it's got a huge, massive saddle, which very, very well stabilizes the cut. So even with wear, and there's not that much wear in this whole lathe, this huge wide saddle, about 2.5 feet long, gives you really good stability when you're doing a lateral cut. We set the lathe in the higher range. This one's set now for 375 RPM. And the guard is down now. Okay. And here we go. It goes even faster. That's 375. We can go up to 487. And that's pretty quick. You can do just about every kind of big and medium work with that. You'll notice the internal brake slows it down pretty well because this chuck weighs about 50 pounds. And that's it. Put the chuck in gear. Operate 52 RPM. Now we're going to set the feed, power feed. Watch the digital readout. See that the digital readout, feed bar is turning right here. And take it out. Go in reverse. See the feed bar is going the other way. And now the digital readout, the play is taken up and it's going the opposite direction. Disengage the power feed on the saddle, and you can engage the power feed on the crosslide, which is now engaged now. Go. Notice that the handle is turning. You'll notice that the digital readout is picking up, and now we can reverse, have a look at the handle, point down here. Play is taken up, and you can see the digital readout is going reader is rotating, and now we clamp the half nuts. And you can see the digital reader is running along as the carriage moves along with the lead screw for all the different threads and feeds. Okay, and the digital. And here's the digital right here. This is operating at 52 RPM. A fine Monarch 16-inch lathe, 18.5-inch swing, fully equipped. And that's it for today.
Alright, so here's a quick tour of the machine itself. Not running. Main switch is here. Now it's about to leave, so we're off. Also has a flame hardened bed. Very good machine.
You can just take a still photograph of that. We have all those charts in the rest of the other. We have all those charts.
Have a look at these. Have a look at these. Alright. And goodbye.